The strong storm system in New Orleans Wednesday took many residents by surprise. Several viewers submitted video to us of whiteout conditions, hail, and heavy winds. Lawrence Duncan caught this video from outside of his home in New Orleans East. He says it reminded him of the damaging storm of 2017.
My wife and I was in the process of running to the bathroom again to take cover like we did the first time.
And the strong gust caused scaffolding to collapse downtown at the Four Seasons construction site, landing on 5 cars and injuring one person inside one of the vehicles.
My passenger in the back seat, the roof, he's really tall. When the scaffold hit us, it made my car bounce and it popped him in the top of his head.
Jabaka Bates is upset after dealing with some significant damage.
That's pretty much all I have right now, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. I got rent due in 5 days, so I'm trying to hold it together, but I'm a little freaked out.
Emergency crews say the Safety and Permits Office is investigating.
It appears that this walkway did fall over. Fortunately, there was no one actually on the sidewalk walking under it at the time.
Those cars and debris have been removed, but there's still some public concern over more potentially damaging winds as another storm system begins to churn through the region.
As Margaret Orr reported, there's still some bad weather coming through here, so we're going to have to be on our P's and Q's and stay alert, tonight.